Guys, don't forget to get entered to win the giveaway. You have until May 29th to get entered. If you're interested in entering, go to my Instagram page, check out the posted giveaway post, go down below it, comment 3 of your friends that will also be interested in the giveaway. Also, go down below in the description of this video, there will be a link. Follow the link and follow all the instructions. Mainly the instructions are subscribe to this channel, comment below 3 of your friends if you don't own Instagram, as well as share the video and share my Instagram post. That's all you have to do. So good luck. You have 3 chances of winning, so do not pass it up. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So guys, this is a free entry. Go down below, follow all the instructions, and get in to win. You got 3 chances, so good luck to everyone, and I appreciate you everyone participating.
POWERSTROKE Pat done took my money. It's gonna look good.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. If it's your first time tuning in, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our uploads. The day has finally come, guys. We're going to be getting rid of the 24x14 American Force Octane wheels that we've been running on the truck for about a year and a half, 2 years now. So, bittersweet moment, but I've been hinting at it in previous videos that we're probably going to be going with a new setup for the entire trucks here soon. So this is only the first step. The wheels will be leaving today. The buyer's on his way actually to come pick them up now. So I'm gonna start getting the truck jacked up and put on jack stands. If you guys know anyone out there with great prices on forged wheels, please comment or tag them down below in the comment section or DM me on Instagram, because I am in the market for some more forged wheels. It doesn't matter the brand or anything. So yeah, comment or tag those people below. We're gonna get this truck jacked up. Yeah, I'm excited, but at the same time, kind of, it's a bittersweet moment. But I know we got some bigger and better things on the way. This lift kit will be for sale in the near future. Not exactly sure on the time because I have so much going on. I need to get this freaking building put up first before I start tearing this thing apart. But the truck will be sitting on jack stands for a little while until I can get some more wheels. I really want to get some factory forward wheels and put them on some 37's and just rock with that for a while. I kind of like that clean OEM look. So if I could find some 20-inch stock wheels and possibly buy some 37-inch tires and just run that, I'll run that setup for a little while I wait on my new wheels to be made, or whatever I have to do. So that is a possibility. So the truck doesn't be sitting for so long on jack stands. But we're gonna do what we gotta do. Start taking these wheels off. Mainly want to take the other side off because it's kind of in the way of the pole. So probably take this one off first before he gets here. So the rest of the other 3 will be pretty easy to take off. But so yeah, we're gonna get to that. I don't know if you guys probably saw behind me, but we're working on the headlights and the tail lights. Give you guys a sneak peek, and that's gonna be it. But those things are coming out pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure, I'm like 1000% positive that you guys are gonna love those things. I painted them yesterday, so I got probably a day to work into them, and they're looking pretty good. We also got a new sponsorship from LIGHTINGTRENDZ. They hit me up and they hopped on board with the build. So we will be getting some lighting products from them. We'll probably do something with the giveaway from them, those guys as well. But what's coming from them next is gonna look so sick. It's gonna look good. This truck is gonna pop even more, so you guys stay tuned. And yeah, so let's get to it. Let me stop rambling on, and let's get to taking these wheels off. Yeah, I'm about to change. I'm about to go back to the old file.
Look how much more bumper space you get.
Still be running your lights?
I might have to put 2 more underneath these fellas.
Come on. I'm gonna put the problem in 8. I'm like, it's brighter than I thought it was gonna be. The back's a little dirty, but put a little soap on, this should come right on.
Come on it.
You ready to be balling now?
Trying.
Well, she ain't got no legs now. Time to go order some wheels. Well, they gone.
You gotta get the dually in the video.
I'm saying. Hey, that's how cold he got on there?
How cold? How cold?
Yeah, that's what I said, yeah. Some 22.5s?
Four.
That's 4s?
I think so.
That bitch gonna look good though. You gonna ball with them. Bittersweet moment, guys. Bittersweet, but they're gone. Truck is now sitting on jack stands. She still look good though. I ain't gonna lie, she still look good. I think we still can win some shows on some jack stands. What y'all think? But no, I know that they're going to a good home. The guy that actually bought them is my best friend's brother, so it won't be our last time seeing him. When he finishes and puts them on his truck, I'm gonna get some videos or some shots of him on his truck. He has I want to say he got a 08 F250. In that year range, 08 to 10. So it's like a gold. Well, it's that orange two-tone with the brown in the bottom, just like mine. So I think they're gonna look real good. So whenever he gets those put on, we're gonna get some videos or pictures of it, so I can show you guys. So it won't be our last time seeing those wheels. So this is the hard part, trying to find some new ones. I gotta find a whole new lift, wheels and tires. So let the journey begin. Truck, she on stilts now. So yeah, like I said, anybody that knows any good wheel dealers out there, they got good prices, comment them down below, please, so we can get some wheels ordered. Yeah, so that's about it. Start looking for some new lifts. Well, I already kind of got a mindset on what I want, so I'm gonna get that in the works. And I'm thinking I may just put a 2-inch spacer on the front just to buy some time until we get some more things situated, give us a little height. So if I go with like a 38 or 40, shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up with this part. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the beginning or if it's own video, or if I'm gonna tag it in with another video. So it may be kind of thrown in there, so don't be caught off guard. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. Everyone have a great day.